Welcome to Pastoral Sheet Arts. We are tie-dyeing shirts.
I think it would have penetrated pause much better if we had wet the shirts, like I said. But oh well. Careful. I need some purple. I'll take. Go ahead if you're not done. I'll take green. What did I use? I used blue.
Sorry, black.
Let's see that purple. Try to get as much on your shirt instead of the table. Aim. Be careful so you don't get it on him.
Looks like pea. Oops.
Typical Dallas, right? Can't help yourself. That's purple, I think. What do I need? The red. Let me get through. Messy. Oh my goodness. I'm glad we came out here to this table. I swear.
Not that much.
You okay? At least we can hose it down.
I'm glad I did on this. Like, I feel like I can stop my stuff.
You want
You
purple?
got tired of the whole thing? You look like
Yeah, it's up to you. You can flip it over or not. Where's blue? Yeah, I think it would have soaked better if we'd have wet the shirts. That's purple. Is that blue?
that's blue. Purple, purple.
Oh, it's getting dark out here. I can't see. What? Oh,
Who's going? No, you're not yawning. It's too early. Where's
I
that?
didn't yawn. It was bugs. I'm trying to get the bugs. A couple of years is going to be so muddy.
Look, this says on pink. That actually came out pink. Oh, but
Oh, look at. Yeah, we got to hose this down. Yeah, LA. Okay, I'm going to wrap it with this. Yeah, we're going to let it sit all night and then rinse it out tomorrow so it can be really deep. Nope, wrap it on. Like that. Where is the end of it? Dang, Dallas, it's dark out here. I can't see it. You tore it off.
Mitty.
How did you tear that off, Dallas?
I didn't break it.
Get in there. There's it's metal on here. It's a bar. Try it again. Pull it out. Pull it straight out. Oh boy, that little bitty piece. What are you gonna do with that? Huh? Tear some off. Pull. Pull it out. Pull it out. You need more. Pull it out. Okay. The legs across. Wrap it up. Oh, we got a table to clean off. And then go all the way around. What is that?
I just want to show you the results. I bought that Tulip 5 package tie-dye kit from the Dollar Tree. And I thought it was, I asked the lady, was it, that $5 aisle? And no, it was $1.25. Why I didn't go and buy them all, I have no idea. And of course they're gone now. But it's messy, but it's fun. And it got dark on us last night, so I couldn't keep filming. But I rinsed them out, and these are the results. This is Coco's, and she just rolled hers up and put rubber bands on it. And it actually turned out pretty cute. I thought it was going to be muddy and not a lot of style to it, but it's fine. It's just fine. She used a lot of purple. And this is Dallas's. Of course, they can't show you because they're asleep, right? 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So Dallas used a paper towel roll rolled his up and put rubber bands on it. Pretty awesome. Pretty cute. Then I did mine, and I took a fork. I laid it out. I took a fork and twisted it. So I kind of like wrapped it like that and put like 6 rubber bands on it. And I got this spiral type of effect. You know, I did mine with a purpose. I tried to get them to do theirs with a purpose, but theirs turned out just fine. Really, really cute. I feel a little hippie-ish. You can put this on. They're just drying out here in the sun. Yeah. And so I had the extra dye, right? And you only can use it up to 72 hours. So after 72 hours, it loses its color or something. It's not as intense or whatever. So I found a shirt for Mimi, and I didn't have white. I had gray. And I used a bunch of rubber bands on her, so she really didn't get a lot of color, but it's cute. And maybe on hers I'll put some vinyl, put her name or something. Maybe. And then, so the rest of the dye that I had left, I put them on a pair of blue jeans. I just squirted it all over. And this is the results of the blue jeans. Still kind of dark because they're kind of wet. But I think you can see that tie-dye. I did it on the front and the back as well. Can't see the back too good. It's a lot of yellow in there. But the front, I put most of that purple. So I thank you for watching. It's a fun project to do. Just a little messy, but you can have fun with it and make some creative designs. Peace and love. Deuces, we'll see you soon. Hit that like button, okay? Please and thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Or check out some other videos that I have to see if you're interested, if you like anything that I've got going on here. Later, y'all.